Glenn, that carburetor was working with a lot of water.
A lot of water. Somebody put gas in the forklift, and they didn't check the can, and there was water in it.
Yeah.
So they poured it in the gas tank, and now it won't run. And they kept on trying to run it. Got this gel stuff in there.
Yeah, that's the gel. This is the gel that clogged the jets, no?
Yeah, it clogs up the jets.
Yeah, correct. That one.
Yep.
And that one.
Got high speed, low speed, and this one is for the
for idle. For idle. Okay, and right now clean the carburetor and
clean it, and then put it back together.
Perfect.
And it'll be like new.
Glenn, I love that all style carburetors with the needle and the base. How that system works?
Well, this little needle.
Yeah.
And this is the seat.
The seat.
That
correct.
goes in there.
They close according with the position.
When the water comes in, it raises it.
Correct.
This is upside down now. So
correct.
It will raise it, push it down, and it will stop the fuel from coming in to flood out.
It's like a check valve.
It's a check valve. Then when you use the fuel, the float drops, and more fuel comes in.
This is the typical needle and seat.
Needle and seat. Just about all carburetors.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Glenn, I remember in the late 70s, early 60s, the choke was with a cable, manual.
Yes.
After that was electronic.
Yes, this is electric choke.
Electric.
When you turn the key on, once it's running, you have power, and it does a coil.
The coil, extend or retract.
And it opens up the
flap.
The flap.
Perfect.
And that's your choke.
When the temperature is low temperature, it's completely
it turns.
Correct.
It's
after that the metal expand and open.
Correct.
That's too simple.
It's two pieces of metal.
Correct.
And the coil.
Correct.
And one heats and
expand.
And expands.
Yeah. Perfect.
And then you got your accelerator pump.
Yeah.
That's for when you step on the gas, no hesitation. It gives gas right away.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that on the Rochester. Yeah.
If you don't have that, you give it gas and it just goes this way. You go boom boom.
What is the technical name? It's a pump.
Accelerator pump.
Accelerator pump. When you order the kit is coming with the gasket, the pump, the needle
and
the
seat.
float.
Yep.
And that's it. The rest is clean, and a couple of jets, no?
Yeah. Well, now you have to order the jets. The jets don't come.
All right.
On the forklift. Now a lot of them come with jets and whatever.
And this is the idle valve, no?
That shuts the fuel off when you shut the key off.
That they shut off.
It shuts. It's like a little plunger right here.
Of course.
Stops the fuel.
Allow or not? Yeah. Like in diesel, the solenoid at the input of the fuel injection pump. Yes. Correct. Or not? Exactly the same. All right. This is very common in gasoline generators. When you turn off the generator.
That's right. Generators have them.